Hey there guys, Moonlight Butterfly Miku back again, and as you can see, snow. This is my front door, and this is how high the snow has risen. This crap is crazy. It's what, January 4th, I believe? And we're already dealing with this bullshit. Oh shit. Woo! Look at that, knocked over our garbage can. Shit is insane. Whew. And I'm doing my part and staying the hell in, except for just recording this video, just to show you guys who may not live in NYC how much snow we get here at times. See, touching it with my bare hand, I'm leaving my handprint. Ugh, bad idea. Hands fucking freezing. I put on my boots even though I'm inside the house just to come out here and show you guys the snow. But I'm not staying out here too long, it's cold. I just wanted to record it for a bit. It's really windy too. This is the side of my staircase. Remember the days when we were young, we used to like to play in the snow? Not anymore. I'd rather stay the fuck in. Alright, my name. There. I wrote my name in the snow, or at least tried to. But the wind's getting to me, guys, so I'm gonna go right back in the house. But this is Snow Day Blizzard 2018. Oh my gosh, look at the garbage truck. The snowplow truck going by just there. I want to plow the streets. So anyway, guys, I'm going back in before I catch frostbite. Until the next vid, this is Moonlight Butterfly Miku saying bye, guys, and stay warm.